Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to refer a friend on Bet365. Now if you want to refer a friend on Bet365 and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now first you need to check for the referral program. Bet365 occasionally runs referral program, but they aren't always available in every country. To see if there is a referral program active, you'll need to check under the promotion section of your account. Now to access the referral program or to share your referral link to with your friend, then you need to log in to your Bet365 account on a device. So you need to open the Bet365 app and you need to enter the username and password of your account. After that you may go on the promotion page or a refer a friend section. This may be under my account or offer tab. So here you can see this is under my offer tab under my page, and here you need to select the friend you want to refer, or you may also get a unique referral code like this. So you may click on the option of share, which is at the very right of the referral code, and you may share it with the friend from where you wanna offer or refer them on Bet365. So by referring it, you may also get a bonus on your account, or your friend may also get a bonus on their account. So that's it. That's how you can refer your friend on Bet365. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.